On this lovely sunny afternoon, I'm at a property at Housefield Meadow. It's a stone's throw from the town, easy access to the A30, and is an end-terrace property with 3 bedrooms. One of the bedrooms has an ensuite shower room. There's a living room that runs along the back of the property and opens up into this lovely enclosed garden, and a pretty fitted kitchen breakfast room. And the road itself is very quiet. There's only about 3 properties on this road on the estate, so it is relatively quiet. Take care.